Welcome, curious minds, to a world where machines can think, communicate, and even surpass human capabilities. In this groundbreaking episode, I'll dive into the thrilling potential of ChatGPT and its ability to revolutionize the job market. From the bustling offices of data entry clerks to the ever-helpful realm of customer support and the intense world of financial trading, no job is safe from the grasp of AI. ChatGPT is making its mark. And today, I'll explore how three prominent occupations could become casualties of this technological tsunami. Buckle up, because what you're about to discover will leave you in awe and make you question the future of work. Are you ready to witness the rise of the machines as ChatGPT takes center stage and reshapes the job market as we know it? Get ready to dive into an electrifying journey where possibilities and uncertainties collide. This is the future knocking at your door, and you don't want to miss a single moment of this exhilarating ride. So, grab your popcorn, open your mind, and join us on this eye-opening adventure into a world where ChatGPT may replace three jobs. Get ready to be amazed. 1. Data entry clerks. With the ability to understand and generate human-like text, AI models like ChatGPT can automate data entry tasks by extracting information from various sources and populating databases or spreadsheets. This can significantly reduce the need for manual data entry clerks. Our first job role on the chopping block is data entry clerks. Companies across industries heavily rely on accurate data entry, but it can be a tedious and time-consuming task. ChatGPT has the ability to extract information from various sources and populate databases with great precision. As it continues to advance, we may see data entry tasks being completely automated, leaving data entry clerks with new opportunities that require more complex skills. 2. Customer support representatives. AI chatbots have already been adopted by many companies to handle basic customer inquiries and provide support. As AI models like ChatGPT continue to improve, they may become even more capable of handling complex customer interactions, thereby reducing the need for human customer support representatives. With the rise of AI-powered chatbots, companies have already started automating basic customer interactions, but ChatGPT takes it to a whole new level. It can understand customer inquiries, provide relevant information, and even handle complex conversations. While human touch will still be valued for certain scenarios, we might witness a shift where chatbots, powered by models like ChatGPT, handle the majority of customer support, allowing human representatives to focus on more intricate issues. 3. Stock traders and financial analysts. AI-powered algorithms are increasingly being used for automated trading and financial analysis. These algorithms can process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make rapid trading decisions. While human expertise may still be required for certain complex financial decisions, AI has the potential to replace some aspects of stock trading and financial analysis. It's important to note that while AI and automation may impact certain job roles, they can also create new opportunities and lead to the emergence of new professions. Moreover, the technology is constantly evolving, and its impact on specific jobs may vary based on various factors such as industry, job requirements, and technological advancements. And there you have it. 3 job roles that might see significant transformation or even replacement by ChatGPT and other advanced AI models. However, it's important to note that AI technology should be viewed as a tool to augment human capabilities rather than a threat. As jobs evolve, new opportunities will emerge, and individuals can focus on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and empathy. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it insightful and thought-provoking. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and remember to embrace the future with an open mind. See you next time.